Kevin! Oh God! It's okay, he's a strong boy. Oh! Jake. Boy! Oh my God!
Kiss me.
Get right over there! Oh! Ow! Ow!
No!
Oh! Ow! Ow! Jeez! Evan! Ow! You know I'm allergic to brooms! Ow! Ow!
Eat a dog treat.
Ow! You know I have bad knees! Ow!
Ow! Ow! Ow! Ow! You're so mean to me.
No, you have to be courteous. You have to be. Each drop. Man, this. Ow! Ow, my butt. Oh! Ow! Ow!
Ow! Ow! Ow! Elton! Chill the f out! Oh! Shoot.
I like my helmet a lot.
Ow!
Did that work?
Ow!
Did it work now?
Ow!
Wait.
Oh! Ow! Ow! Oh,
They say, if I don't have an.
Everybody,
I don't even. Oh! Videos too.
Oh!
Doing? Mm-hmm.
Oh, shoot! Oh! Oh!
Dear Sam, you are one sexy bitch. Well, thank you, Luke Bull. Colby!
And if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows. All the other.
He went straight to the radio station the very next day. Hey, Fab, I'm gonna
To kill you. Lyrics coming at you, supersonic speed. I'm super duper fast at those rapping. Sam and Colby are the best YouTubers ever. You gotta sell out and subscribe. I think I'm gonna stick to We Love Our Friends.
It's cold.
Who is that? Seriously, who is this? Who?
Harry Styles here?
What?
Is Harry Styles here?
No, Harry. Wait. Wait, why are you asking if Harry Styles is.
Joke's on you, that actually was your laptop.
Chloe.
Where am I?
You're in the mural room.
Was I? Oh my goodness! I was street rocking.
Wait, I thought.
Was I street rocking?
Oh, I thought you were a zombie.
No.
Okay, wait, so you're just tired?
I'm just very tired.
Oh, okay,
I
let's.
had a long night last night. You know, party with Scott.
Woo woo, Skitty!
Scott! He's ready to learn how to belly dance. And that's how you belly dance. You call me fat?
What?
Call me fat?
Oh my god, I knew you were a zombie!
Call me fat?
What?
You call me fat?
No, I said you were a zombie. I didn't call you fat. Chloe, are you okay? Chloe?
I'm sorry for biting you on the shoulder. It's just I was really tired and walking around. You look like a chicken nugget, so like.
No, yeah, I completely understand, Chloe.
Yeah,
It's fine. It's.
Yeah.